Hello everyone. Today it's going to be a little bit different and we're going to take a quick look at this brand new 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. This is the Redeye version, and while it does not have the wide body package, it is still a force to be reckoned with. This Redeye is shown in Torrid Clear Coat. It does have the 20 by 9.5 inch low gloss SRT performance wheels with 275/40 ZR20 Pirelli P0 Summer performance tires. It also features the high performance 6-piston Brembo brakes. Up front, this Redeye has a performance dual scoop hood, dual illuminated air catcher headlamps, cold air intake, launch control with launch assist and line lock, and an after run chiller and power chiller. While closely related to the Demon, it is a little bit less horsepower due to the more restrictive hood. Inside is pretty standard fare for Challengers. It's basically a Challenger SRT interior with black Napa Alcantara heated and ventilated performance sport seats. They do feature the embroidered Hellcat logo on the seat backs. Interior trim is dark engine turned aluminum and features red face gauges with a 220, yes that's correct, a 220 mile/hour speedometer. Of course, SRT performance pages, SRT drive mode select are standard in the 8.4 inch Uconnect 4C touchscreen display. This vehicle is not equipped with navigation, however it does feature Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto Ready. It also features a Park View backup camera, which activates when placed in reverse. And around the rear of the Redeye, it is highlighted by the LED tail lamps and the satin low gloss spoiler with the Hellcat badge. This vehicle is equipped with the Plus package and driver convenience packages, and the Redeye is also equipped with a 3.09 rear axle ratio, remote start, and dual active exhaust. Other than that, it's pretty much standard Challenger. The transmission on this vehicle is a ZF-sourced 8-speed TorqueFlite 8HP90 automatic. It does feature manual shift modes via the lever or the steering wheel mounted paddle shifters that work in conjunction with the performance shift indicator displayed in the central LCD display screen. And power comes from the insane 6.2-liter iron block aluminum head, overhead valve pushrod, 16-valve supercharged and intercooled Hellcat Hemi V8 engine. It creates 797 horsepower at 6,300 RPM, 707 pound-feet of torque at 4,500 RPM. It is good for 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds with a 0 to 100 mile per hour time in 7.8 seconds. Quarter mile, Dodge claims, is 10.8 seconds, but the best car and driver was able to achieve in numerous runs was 11.8 seconds at 125 miles per hour. Top speed is drag limited to 203 miles per hour. But what if 797 horsepower isn't enough? Yes, it's been covered a million times on YouTube, and admittedly, I filmed this vehicle over a year ago and have done nothing with the footage until now. Meet the Demon. While the Demon is no longer in production, as the last one, a pitch black painted vehicle sent to an upfit center and hand-painted Viper Red, was the end of the 3,300 unit production run of the drag-oriented wide-body Challengers and auctioned off as the ultimate last chance, with the last Viper sold as a pair alongside the Demon, with 100% of the proceeds going to United Way. The Demon shown here is number 468 and is painted yellow jacket with the matte black air grabber hood, matte black painted roof, and deck lid. The owner of this car has kept the right front seat yet opted for the rear seat delete package, which saves over 50 pounds in weight. Interior is standard Challenger SRT fare with deeply bolstered Napa leather and Alcantara Sport Performance seats with the Demon logo embossed in the seat back. Along with the red seat belts, white face gauges, and the 200 mph speedometer, and the Demon splash screen and brushed metallic console trim, the interior is as nice as any drag car can be. With the road drag Nitto tires specially fitted for this car, it makes the Demon the first production car to be fitted with drag radials, performance upgrades such as the huge air grabber hood scoop, dual illuminated air catcher headlamps, a trans brake that holds first and reverse gear at the same time, keeping the Demon stationary, an industry first in a production car, along with line lock, power chiller intercooler pre-coolers, torque reserve on demand, and drag mode make the Demon the fastest non-electric production car to reach 60 miles per hour at the time of its introduction. Transmission on the Demon is a ZF-sourced 8-speed 8HP 90 torque flight automatic with manual shift modes via the lever or the steering wheel mounted paddles using the performance shift indicator in the instrument cluster. The engine in the Demon is worthy of its name, running on 100 octane fuel. The 6.2 iron block aluminum head overhead valve pushrod 16 valve supercharged and intercooled Hemi V8 features a 2.7 liter supercharger, upgraded Demon specific crankshaft, camshafts, valve trains, connecting rods, and pistons. This engine creates 840 horsepower at 6,300 RPM or 808 horsepower at 6,300 RPM on 93 octane fuel. It also creates 770 pound-feet of torque at 4,500 RPM. In drag mode with 100 octane fuel, the Demon can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds with a 0 to 100 mile per hour time in 5.7 seconds. Quarter mile is reached in 9.65 seconds at 140 miles per hour. Due to the restrictions on the Nitto tires, the top speed is 168 miles per hour, and that makes the Demon the slowest top speed vehicle of the Hellcat family. Alright, and that does about conclude this video. If you like this video and would like to see more like that, comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and also check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews. As always, thanks for watching.